for joining us. This is our weekly live tour. We're starting off today with our rabbits. We're going to go through and see who's here, and then we're going to go in our cat room, meet all the adoptable kitty cats. This is Little Peep enjoying munching on his lettuce. Now Big Mac, I know you guys have seen Big Mac before. We're coming up on Big Mac's 6-month shelterversary. He's been looking for a home for almost 6 months now. We really got to find him a home. He's a great Californian rabbit. He's about a year old, well, maybe a year and a half now. If you'd like to meet him, please let us know. We'd love to see him get adopted soon. This is Dimples. Isn't Dimples adorable? Dimples is a 1-year-old Californian. Super cute. It's kind of hard to see these guys in the bottom kennels, but they are precious, enjoying their fresh veggies. Let's see who else we have. The last rabbit I'm going to show you is just the most precious thing in the world. This is Pearl. She's a 1-year-old lion head. Let's see if we can get a good video of her, because she has the cutest fluff. Hey Pearl. Oop, you gotta stay in there. You gotta stay in there. She is super, super cute. Down here, Coco is still here. I really thought Coco was gonna get adopted pretty quick. Coco is a 6-month-old dwarf. Oh, hey. I love the eyeliner look. It's very Moira Rose. Down here we have a little guinea pig, if anyone is interested in adopting a guinea pig. This is 1.5-year-old Potato. Super cute. Down here, Pinky is hiding. Pinky is a 6-month-old American rabbit. Kind of in the back, kind of blends in with the shadows. I think that's why people keep missing Pinky, because he kind of blends in. You kind of miss him. Up here is Nina. She's a 4.5-year-old Netherland dwarf. She is teeny. She's very small. She only weighs 2.5 pounds. She does get along with other rabbits with slow introduction, but they all have to be dwarf-sized rabbits. They can't be big old hunkin' Californian rabbits. It's got to be somebody little and equally as adorable as her. She's so cute. I love her. Again, that is Nina. And then our last rabbit I want to show you guys is Mrs. Rabbit. She's a 2-year-old lion head. She's in here. We're going to see if we can get... Look, I'm going to open this and she's going to go to the other side. Hey. She had a little wound. We had to shave her and stitch her up and get her back to healed. She is adorable. Hey. Ooh. She doesn't want to look at us right now. That's fine. You guys. I think there's somebody here that wants to see rabbits. So we're going to make our break. You guys have fun looking at all the rabbits. Okay, so we're going to go meet cats. Let's go meet cats. That was very, very bad, and I forgot my laser pointer. I know I said I was going to bring the laser pointer. I forgot the laser pointer. But we had somebody donate some fun cat toys. So once we see some playful cats and kittens, we'll hand out these toys to them. Hey, cutie. Yes, Nina, the last rabbit, the little, well, not the last one, the second to last one, the little dwarf one. Her name is Nina, too. You should adopt her. This is Mithra. She's really talkative. Hey, cutie. Got a sleeping Red Tabby kitten. This is Waffle. Super cute. Pretty quiet in here right now. I think they've all eaten. That's Suki. Suki. Shinny is down here in the bed. 6 years old. Let me see, I'm reading the paperwork. 6 years old, almost 7 years old. Dilute Torty, who, wait. Oh, I thought you were in the bed. You're under the bed. Well, look at you. No one can see you under there. She's like, I don't care. Hey, Yesenia, join us for the dogs. We'll see you at 1:30. Stick for the cats. You can come back for the dogs. Hi. Cuties. Johnny is down here. Hey, Johnny. Let's see who else we got. Serrano is still here. He does need to be the only pet in the house. He's scared of dogs and cats. And little tiny kids. Because they're loud and they spook him. He's really cool though. Oh wait, oh dude, you're gonna hit my camera. Hey, hello. What do you think? I think he's been here a while. He deserves a cool toy. We'll give him an orange one to match his orange coat. Here, bud. What you're... Go play with it. Maybe he'll play with it in a second. Oh, how adorable is this? This is Leo. Leo went to sleep with his little stuffed animal toy. His tail is like curled around the toy. It's the most precious thing. He's so cute. Again, this is Leo. He's 1 year old. Slow introduction with other cats. He hasn't been around dogs before, so we don't know. Look at him. Oh, love it. Let's see. We got a stray red tabby up here. It's kind of like a cinnamon-y color. What is this color? I know. Is it blue? Is it red? What is going on? Are you blue? You're up high and in the sun. Hi. You're cute. Well, hello. Sorry, it's with the backlighting. It's really hard to see you. You're gonna come say hi? Okay. She's cute. It's kind of like a bluish, grayish, brownish kind of color. Okay, but you can't come out. You gotta stay in there. Okay, we'll get here. You like the color pink and purple. Here, you get a pink toy, okay? Pinky pink. It'll match your towel. Hopefully she likes the toy. She's cute. She's a little stray. After her stray hold is up, she will be available for adoption if her owners don't come claim her. But she was found, I think she was found with this collar. She's got to have a home somewhere. If this is your cat, please come claim her. My goodness. Who is... What? You're creating a lot of noise over here. This is Patches. Patches is 9.5 years old. And as you can see, very opinionated and talkative. Does well with cats, does well with small dogs, hasn't been around big dogs. You tell him. Oof. Okay, let's see, who else do we have? This is Kitty. She's getting transferred. She got tagged by RPM, so she's going to be transferred out of state for adoption. Very excited for her. Jazz is still here. Jazz. Jazz is a 6-year-old long-haired boy. I always think this cat is a girl and it's a boy, and I'm so sorry. Not that it really matters. Hi. I used to have a cat that looked just like him. Super cute. This kitty comes with so many of his own toys that I can't see his name on the paperwork. This is Jimmy. Jimmy's a ham. Hey, Jimmy. You need a toy. Buddy, here, give me a second. I'll get you a toy, okay? Let's see. How about green to go with your pretty green eyes? I'm gonna put it in there. Hopefully it won't boop you in the face. Uh-oh. Did you see it? You probably didn't see it. Okay, maybe next time, Jimmy. Next time you'll play with the toy. Oh, you guys, look at these kittens. I heard we had a cute litter of kittens. Two of them are getting adopted. The 2 white kittens, I believe, are getting adopted. Look at them. They're cute. You guys are like picture perfect. Hey. Hello. There's actually a little tortie kitten in the very back, and then a little black kitten and another little black kitten. They all need homes. Hey. Look at those faces. They are so cute. Who do we have here? Sassy. Hey, Sassy. Oh wait, you know what? Kittens need toys. Here, you guys can have 2 because there's so many of you in there. They're like, what are those? Okay, Sassy. Sassy's 1-year-old. Does well with other cats. Has not been around dogs. Hey, Sassy. Super pretty cat. Let's see. There is a cat hiding in the back, a little nervous. Just came in on stray hold, so we're gonna leave him be, let him get adjusted. Someone's still begging for your attention. Yeah. Guys, I don't know what's going on. Somebody has to let me know what's going on, because I don't get it. Remy is still here, y'all. She's the most gorgeous cat. She's 1.5-year-old flame point Siamese. You gotta stay in there. Here. We'll give you toys, okay? She's like, no, I just want to get up. No, you gotta stay in there. Remy's been available for a few weeks now, which is really surprising. I kind of thought she would get adopted in a heartbeat, and I don't know if people are just assuming somebody else will adopt her. Don't really know. But she's still here. Guys, you gotta come adopt this cat. This is Ben. He was tagged for transfer. Yay for Ben. I know, Patches. You tell him again. Yeah, I think we missed her the first time around. Let's see who else. Peekaboo down here. Peekaboo. See him peekabooing out. Hey, Junior. Look at this chunk of a cat. He's kind of particular. He likes things on his terms. Not a good cat for little kids. Like adults and up. He just wants to like do his own thing and not really be bothered. But he's kind of, well, he's very cool to be around. Hey, Junior. Look at that face. Let's see who else. We have a lot of open cages right now. Tuxie got tagged for transfer, our big fluffy brown tabby. Tom Tom needs a home. He's good with other cats. Not good with cameras. Tom Tom. Hi, buddy. He is 3 years old, 14 pounds. Hi. Olive, pretty house panther. Hey, Olive. Olive is 9 years old. Gets along with cats, dogs, kids over 6 years old. Super sweet girl. Hey, are you going to start making biscuits? She's a very good biscuit maker. Very sweet girl. Let's see. Grover. How's it going, Grover? He's another little cat that, he's a black house panther. He's about 11 months old. He needed to settle down for a few days. Sometimes when they first come in, they're just so overwhelmed by all of the other cats that are here and the noises. It takes him a few days to kind of settle down and get used to our routine. Luckily, he's coming around. This is Jake. Hey, Jake. With Lollipop. Lollipop is a Seal Point Siamese down here who likes to stay in the bed. Lollipop. Hey. How's it going? Kind of hard to see. Look at this kitten. He's really cute. He is still on stray hold. He's about 10 weeks old. Once his stray hold is up, he will be available for adoption. Yeah. He's super cute. Hey, buddy. Here. You can get the last two toys. Let's fix your food dish. Okay, you got... I don't know even how you did all this. How did you do all this? You messed up your bedding. Hey, bud. You know you're ridiculous, right? You messed up your house. But I can't fix it if you're rubbing on me. Okay, but I was gonna fix your house. Okay, we'll do pets instead. Super cute. Again, he is still on stray hold. After his stray hold, he'll be available for adoption. you think his name should be? So cute. Oh, and then down here, you guys gotta see this cat. This is Tiny. He's 3.5-year-old. He was brought in as a stray. Hi, Tiny. Look at his cheeks. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Hey, he just winked at you guys. And down here is King. Hey, King. He's a 2-year-old. Let's go around the other side and see him. He's a 2-year-old brown tabby. Look at him laying there. Like he thinks he's the king too. Bud. Too cute. I think that is everyone. Thank you guys for joining us on our cat tour. Hope you liked seeing all the cats and rabbits. Come back at 1:30. We're going to walk through and meet all the dogs. And oh my gosh, we have some cute dogs. You're not going to want to miss it. Super, super cute. Tell everyone you know, please adopt a pet and spay and neuter the ones you already have. You guys have a great week. We'll see you at 1:30.